How to mind map. Mind mapping is based on how your brain functions most effectively, using both the right and the left sides of the brain. This enhances your natural thinking patterns by linking ideas and stimulating the whole brain. In addition to being a superb learning tool and memory aid, mind mapping can also be used for brainstorming, presentations, training, planning, report writing, creativity, and problem solving. The laws of mind mapping. Always use a main central image, preferably in colour. You should also develop your own personal style. Main ideas should always branch off the main central image. Use borders for emphasis in your mind map. Your main ideas should always be on thicker branches. They should also have larger text than your secondary ideas. Only use one word or idea on each branch. Phrases can be broken down into a number of smaller branches, each with a single keyword. Words should always be printed, either in upper or lower case, or a combination of both. Also, printing words on the lines gives your brain a clearer image to remember. The lines on your mind map should always be connected, as this helps your memory to associate. You should use as many images as possible, as this helps to develop the whole brain approach. Pictures also make your mind map more memorable, as a picture is worth 1,000 words. Use dimension wherever possible, as outstanding items are more easily remembered. Use numbers or codes to put things in order. For coding and connecting, use arrows, symbols, numbers, letters, images, colours and links. For your mind maps, use quality A3 or A4 paper, positioned in landscape with a centralised image. Start your mind map branches in the top right of the image and continue clockwise. For more information on mind mapping, search online for The Mind Map Book by Tony Bazan, or download the summary of our book Learning Expert from the link below this video. For more information on our training courses, go to novalead.co.uk/events or call us on 08456 170 697. Novalead. Success through people development.